Well, here we go. This is the women's 4x100m final. Look at Jamaica. They've started off well. And America are going pretty well there in lane 6, but this is all about Jamaica. Well, it does look like it's Jamaica from the United States, Great Britain and Northern Ireland and Colombia, and a real battle there for the bronze medal.
Have a second look at that final baton change. What a performance to take the gold medal.
There was no catching Tina Clayton, as she led the Jamaicans home to a massive new world under-20 record of 42.59 seconds, to take home the gold for Jamaica at the 2022 Commonwealth Games. The women's 4x100 meters has been an event that the Caribbean has dominated at all levels of track and field, with Jamaica and the Bahamas both becoming world and Olympic champions in the event. With the likes of some of the best female relay runners that the Caribbean has ever produced, including Jamaica's Veronica Campbell-Brown and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. Along with Bahamians Chundra Stirrup and Debbie Ferguson-McKenzie, there is no doubt that the Caribbean is so powerful in this festive event. The Caribbean has a total of 3 Olympic titles and 6 world titles, spanning both, being shared by both Jamaica and the Bahamas. Jamaica has been the most dominant sprint nation in the Caribbean, if not the world, for decades, especially with their female junior athletes in that of Tina Clayton, Brianna Liston, Tia Clayton, Serena Cole, and Kerrica Hill, among others. These young ladies compete with each other on the high school scene, but are always willing to team up to run a solid relay for Team Jamaica on any given day. The world first got a glimpse of the quartet of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Kerrica Hill, and Tia Clayton at the 2021 World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya, when they broke the 4x100 meters relay world record, with their time of 42.94 seconds, to become the first under-20 team to go under the 43 seconds barrier. This made fans go into a frenzy as to how fast they could go in the future. At the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Kingston, Jamaica, the quad of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Brianna Liston and Tia Clayton broke the record again with their time of 43.58 seconds. This was a good feeling for the young ladies on Jamaican soil, as 20 years prior a team of Karen Stewart, Anisha McLaughlin, Simone Facey and Tyrone Simpson did as they did at the World Junior Championship. However, that world record of 42.58 seconds went unratified, as Tina Clayton was not tested after the race. This made the young women hungrier as they continued to work hard and managed to use the same quartet of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Kerrica Hill and Tia Clayton to retain their title and break their own world record at the 2022 World Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia. The stage was set and fans were expecting another spectacular performance from the Jamaican ladies. The race was off with Serena Cole out with her usual bullet start, handed to Tina Clayton, who ran a solid leg, then Kerrica Hill to open up the gap for Team Jamaica, with the United States trailing behind. Tia Clayton got the baton, and there was no catching her as she led the Jamaicans home to a massive new world under-20 record of 42.59 seconds to take home the gold. The Jamaican junior athletes continue to make the Caribbean proud with their world-class performances in the track and in the field, signaling that the Caribbean is a force to be reckoned with in the sport of track and field. What do you think of this world record accomplishment? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, share our channel and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we explore the Caribbean rich cultures together. This is J-irie Caribbean.